Welcome to Jurisedge Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss important weekly legal updates from 31st January to 5th February 2022. In first important news, the Supreme Court has held that an adjudicatory function of NGT cannot be delegated to expert committees. In the case of Kantha Vibhag Yuvak Koli Samaj Trust versus State of Gujarat, the Supreme Court has observed that adjudicatory functions of the National Green Tribunal cannot be delegated to administrative expert committees. The court has held that an expert committee may be able to assist the NGT by carrying out a fact-finding exercise, but the adjudication has to be by the NGT. This is not a delegable function. In second important news, the Supreme Court has held that an award passed by the Lok Adalat is not a compromise decree. In the case of New Okhla Industrial Development Authority versus UNIS, the court has held that an award passed by Lok Adalat is not a compromise decree. The court has held that the purport of the lawgiver is only to confer it with enforceability in like manner as if it were a decree. Thus, the legal fiction that the award is to be treated as a decree goes no further. In third important news, the Supreme Court has held that a special leave petition only against a review order is not maintainable. In the case of R.K. Singh versus General Manager, the court has held that the special leave petition against a review order alone is not maintainable. The court has also referred to a 2020 judgment in the case of Municipal Corporation of Delhi versus Yashwant Singh Negi. In that case, the court has observed that once the High Court has refused to entertain the review petition and the same was dismissed confirming the main order, there is no question of any merger and the aggrieved person has to challenge the main order and not the order dismissing the review petition, because on the dismissal of the review petition, the principle of merger does not apply. In fourth important news, the Supreme Court has held that conviction can be solely based on the dying declaration without any corroboration. In the case of State of UP versus Veerpal, the court has held that there can be a conviction solely based on dying declaration without any corroboration. The court has said that if the court is satisfied that the dying declaration is true and voluntary, it can base its conviction on it without any corroboration. Lastly, the Supreme Court has held that the scheme providing backdoor entry into services is violative of Article 16. In the case of Chief Personnel Officer versus A. Nishant George, the court has reiterated that the liberalized active retirement scheme for guaranteed employment for safety staff notified by the railways provides an avenue for backdoor entry into services and is violative of Article 16 of the Indian Constitution. It is important to note that the judgment in Manjeet versus Union of India 2021 case, where the 3-judge bench declined to entertain a petition seeking a mandamus directing the union and the railways to appoint petitioners in terms of larger scheme, was denied. This brings us to the end of our weekly legal update. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.